Welcome back. We've discussed the constructor, which is called when an object is created. Python also provides a mechanism for performing final actions just before an object is destroyed and its memory is reclaimed by the garbage collector. This mechanism is called the destructor, defined by the special method __del__. 1. Defining the destructor. The destructor is defined using the special method name def__del__. It takes only this self argument. We use a class called resourceHandler to illustrate. In the constructor, we open a file which is a system resource. In the destructor, we safely close that file using self.file.close. This is the place for cleanup tasks like closing database connections or releasing external resources. 2. When the destructor executes, we create an object R1, and the constructor runs immediately. Unlike a regular method, you almost never call the destructor manually. It is automatically called by Python when the object's reference count drops to 0. In this case, we manually use the del keyword to remove the reference R1, causing the object to be garbage collected, and the destructor to run, printing file closed. Object destroyed. 3. The automatic nature of deletion. We can also see the destructor run automatically. Inside the function func, the object R2 is created. When the function finishes executing, the local variable R2 goes out of scope. Its reference count drops to 0, and the destructor runs automatically without the need for the del keyword. To summarize, the destructor gives us one last chance to clean up system resources. With this knowledge, we conclude our learning about individual OP concepts. Okay, our next lecture 16.16, Patient Clinical Use Case. See you there.